Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you'll be able to make a short YouTube short video using Pictory AI. So I'm currently here on Pictory, and to be honest, Pictory isn't free. But as you can see on the top left corner, I have my trial activated. And here we are on ChatGPT. We can use ChatGPT to write a script for us, which makes things a little bit easier. So let's ask it to write a short YouTube short video about food advice. And then let's just copy the script that we had and just remove all of the weird parts, like the signaling, like host standing in front of the farmer's market. So I'm gonna be erasing all of these stuff, and then afterwards we're gonna proceed, and now we're gonna choose which of these templates fits best. So I think this lemon template fits best. Okay, and now of course it's 9:16 ratio because we're supposed to be a YouTube short video. Alright, now the storyboard is being created. You'll see I'm just gonna skip it right to the editor. As you can see here, this is the editor. There's a watermarks because the video that we're using is it's a stock footage basically. So what important thing that I want to show is the ability to be able to put a voiceover in this video. And you'll see here on the right side there's this microphone, and you have the option to either choose from the tree, which is apply an AI voiceover, or upload your own voiceover, or record your voiceover on the spot. So to be convenient, I'm just gonna use the AI one, and just actually you can use all the other elements here or stuff. But I guess that's it. I'm just gonna head over and download this app, so like get it prepared to be downloads. It's gonna take a while, so yeah, there it is. That's downloaded, and now you can just upload it to your YouTube channel, and that's how you make a short YouTube short video using Pictory AI and ChatGPT. I hope this video helped you. Like, comment, subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.